Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on removing uninstalled apps from your iPhone's App Store purchase history. Ready? Let's get started. So, you've downloaded a bunch of apps over time and now you want to declare your purchase history. No problem. I got you covered. Kick things off by opening the App Store. See your profile icon at the top right. Give it a tap. Now, right under your profile name, you'll spot the Purchased option. Tap on that. Here, you'll be greeted with two sections, All and Not on this iPhone. This shows apps currently on your device and those you've removed, respectively. To start removing apps from the list, simply swipe left on any app name and hit Hide, and it's gone from the list. But here's the thing to remember. Hiding an app from the list doesn't remove it from your device. For instance, if I hide EO Broker, but then search it in my app library, it's still there. So, if you truly want an app gone, you'll need to long press on its icon and choose Delete App. Confirm the deletion, and it's off your phone for good. And there you have it, a fresh and clean purchase history. If this video cleared things up for you, drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy guides. Until next time, bye bye.